Hello gorgeous, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. I had a lot of fun filming today doing a full face of makeup brands that I love. So I've chosen one product from each of those brands. I'm going to apply that onto my face and then talk about the other products that I love from that brand. So if that sounds fun to you, if you want to see me put this look together, I would love to have you join me and just keep watching. It's a happy day. I am putting on a full face of products from brands that I love. As I put on the products, I'm going to talk to you about what I love about that brand, what my favorite things are about that brand. So super exciting. I did prime my lids with brand number one, which is Jason Wu. You've heard me talk about Jason Wu a lot. I love his eyeshadows. I love his eye primer. I have lip pencils, lip colors, a lot of really great products from this affordable brand that you can find at Target. And of course, he has his own website. So I love how this has color in it. It can blank out any discoloration of my eyes. It dries matte. I don't have to set it. Love it. On my brows, my new favorite brow gel is this e.l.f. Brow Lift. e.l.f. Do I need to say any more? e.l.f. has fantastic eyeshadows. Their bite-sized eyeshadows are amazing. I'm going to be using their eye putty primer today as a base for my shadow. But if you have unruly brows or you wish to reshape your brows, lift them up, have them hold for a long time, this is a fantastic product that of course I have in my eyes, in my brows today. And then to fill my brows, which I've already done, I used this NYX brow gel. This is my favorite brow gel. I put it on my little palette, AOA. Quick shout out to Shop Miss A, the dollar website. I put a little bit on my palette and then just use a brush and flick it up. I draw the line under and then flick it up, and my brows are set for the day. For primer that I did already apply, my very favorite primer is from another favorite brand, Fenty. It's the Pro Filter Matte Primer. This has been my favorite primer so far. Seems to really hold my oil at bay, makes my skin look very smooth and soft. It's very lightweight. It doesn't feel heavy on the skin. And I have other Fenty products that I will be using today that I love. I love the lipsticks that she has, these liquid lips I'm going to be using. Her matte foundation, her gloss is amazing. Fenty is another brand definitely want to check out. Those are my favorite products from Fenty. So now we can get into the makeup application, and I'm going to do my eyes first. And for the primer, we talked about this e.l.f. Putty Eye Primer. I just did a video featuring e.l.f. and use the brown one of this. Today I'm going to be using the black as a base for my, we'll get into it, Natasha Denona eyeshadow. So I'm going to take a flat brush and I'm going to make a black base for my Natasha that is coming up. So this Putty Eye Primer I am really enjoying. Like I said, I bought the black and the brown, and I don't completely love them by themselves just because I want my entire eye area blanked out. So that's why I have the Jason Wu on. But as a base, I love it. I love the way the shimmers look on top of it. I have not experienced creasing. It goes on smooth. You just find your favorite flat brush and apply. I have done the brown one as a one and done shadow. You can blend up those edges up into the crease and have an eye look right there. I have put this under the eyes. I believe it's $6. It's a great product. So we're gonna start with that, and I can be a little sloppy in the crease because we're gonna put that Natasha on top. So we'll neaten that up a little bit, but it doesn't have to be perfect. Blend that out a teensy bit with another brush. Just so we have the smoothest lines possible. So let's go into the Natasha Denona Glam palette. I haven't played with this one in a while. I'm gonna go into this shade right here, which says Center Eyelid. She's very nice in that she tells you, she makes suggestions as to where you can put the colors, but obviously you can put them wherever you want. You can make your own rules with this palette. So we're gonna go in with that center eye color all across the lid. Natasha is my very favorite eyeshadow formula. Super creamy, super easy to blend. But she is not known for her super popping lid colors. They are popping enough for me, but if I have an opportunity to pop them even more, I'm going to do that. So do you see how pretty that looks? And if we wanted a little bit more, we could go into this inner corner shade right here, and that's going to give us even more. So I'm going to go a little more towards the inside here with that one, just to give it a little more brightness. Love it. Now to work on that crease, I'm just going to go into this color right here called Crease, which is very neutral. It's not necessarily warm toned or cool toned. I would say it's right in the middle. And that's the nice thing about this palette. If you are just dipping your toes into cool tones, this one is nice because there are some neutral and leaning warm tones in here. Mostly cool, but you have a couple opportunities to go neutral and a tinge warm. But it is a beautiful, beautiful palette. I'm going to show you that black base as well on the bottom, and I'm going to go back into that same flat brush and just put it on the top of it. Every time I use it, I go to tap my brush. It's a cream product, Jenny. You don't need to tap a cream product. I'm just going to go on the lighter side, but just to provide that base. The shadow is going to stick to this. You're going to have less fallout and have an even richer color. So I'm going to go into another flat brush and I'm going to go into that crease shade. Next, favorite brand, Wet n Wild. Oh my goodness, the list goes on and on of Wet n Wild products that I love. I just got this back in my collection. I'd had it a while ago. You know I love their Tinted Hydrator. I love their Big Poppa Mascara. Some of their glosses are wonderful. I mean, there are so many. Their highlighters. Wet n Wild has some great products. We are going to throw some of the Photo Focus foundation on my palette and just sort of pat it in. Medium to full coverage can be built up. So there's one side of the face as compared to the other. Let's go in on the other side. Covers up those redness, any problem areas, acne, age spots, sun damage. Let's brighten up those under eyes with a little Juvia's Place. Their shadows are one of the first shadows that I ever fell in love with. Inexpensive, easy to find at Ulta. Juvia's Place has great sales. I love their lipsticks. I've enjoyed their lip liners. So many beautiful products from Juvia's Place. So let's put some I Am Magic concealer on. While that is setting, we're gonna throw a little love to Colourpop, and more specifically their Soul Body line. Colourpop has amazing eyeshadows. I love the Soul Body bronzer, the Soul Body highlight. I've enjoyed Colourpop lip colors. I'm gonna go in with my BH brush and throw a little bit of this on. It's gonna last you forever. Smells so good. It's long lasting on the skin. It never seems to apply patchy. It's kind of mistake proof. Sometimes I set this, sometimes I don't. Obviously I'm going to use setting spray. So now we've got some color to the skin. Blend in that concealer. Now we are brightened. I'm going to go in with some Huda Beauty powder. My favorite products from Huda. I did try the brow pencil. I did like it. It was super micro precise, if that's what you're looking for. But her powder is my very favorite product from her. I love her matte lipsticks. I have the board meeting lipstick. I love it. But this powder, the Makeup Forever, is giving it a run for its money, but I still love this powder. I don't love the packaging. I don't love the scent, but airbrushed matteness, is that a word, matteness? Airbrushed and matte, if that is what you are going for, that's what you will get with this product. For highlight, let's talk about Nabla. Oh my goodness, their cutie palettes, their side-by-side palette. I forgot my lip plumper. Let's throw on a little bit of my Viper lip plumper from Nabla. It's one of the very first lip plumpers that I ever picked up, so love it. Very cinnamon, not super intense, little intense, but not super intense. But let's throw some of this Skin Glaze highlight on. This is Ozone, which is a pretty gold champagne. Beautiful on the skin. Beautiful packaging, nice and solid. So pretty. And then for blush, Sephora brand. Their Airbrush foundation, absolutely love it. I love their liquid lipsticks. And of course, most recently, I have fallen in love with this. And this is their Clean Velvet Cream Blush Palette. This was in my yearly favorites. I've only had it a couple of months. I adore it. So today, I think I'm gonna go in with this shade down here. So I found out that these two are matte and these two are shimmer. Most of these are more pink and then this one is a little more peach, but I'm feeling this one today. They are pigmented, they blend easily. I am not normally a shimmering blush kind of girl. I like more matte, but the shimmer in this is almost undetectable. It really just makes you look healthy. Stunning. Now we can go back to liner and Makeup by Mario. Love this liner, love his matte eyeshadow, love his Garth lipstick. This is his matte lipstick. So let's go ahead and throw some of this liner on the waterline. Let me know your favorite products from the brands that I've mentioned because I would love to know. So the only cheat for today is my cream gel liner from Inglot. I have nothing else from Inglot. If you are familiar with that brand, I've heard they have good shadows. I haven't tried them yet, but this gel liner is just amazing. This changed the name of the game for me with liners. I've always been super intimidated, and this has made it so much easier for me to control. This will not crack, will not run. I mean, it's just very, very beautiful product. I'm gonna go ahead and curl my lashes, and I'll be right back and we'll talk about mascara. I'm back, and let's talk a little bit about Milani. What do I love from Milani other than this highly rated anti-gravity mascara? Love it. Milani has amazing blushes. Their cream blush, their baked blush. Some of my favorite matte lipsticks are from Milani. Drugstore brand. Their bronzer, oh my goodness. Milani has so much goodness. So we're gonna go ahead and throw some of this mascara on. It gives you all the things: length, volume. The wand doesn't seem too hard to control. I don't get it all over the place. I love that this is a one coat and run out the door if you want to, or if you really want to build it up, you can do that as well. Go ahead and throw on another coat and I'll be right back. Mascara is on, a couple coats. I did take a little bit of highlighter and put it on my inner corner and on top of my brow. I wiped off my lip plumper and we are ready for lip products. Flower Beauty. I love their lip liner. I love their Warrior mascara. I love their matte lip colors. I just did a Flower Beauty haul. Their brow pencil, which is a great dupe for the Fenty, I really enjoyed. Some great products from Flower Beauty, but we're gonna go in with her lip pencil in the shade Toffee. Great lip color, and I'm actually going to fill in my lips because I have this one from Fenty to put on, and I will swatch this for you. It actually doesn't look too light. Maybe we can get away with it. Let's do it. It is a lovely peachy nude. And now I'm realizing I don't like this cheek color with it. But what we can do is go back in to our Sephora cream blush and throw a little bit of the peachy shade on top. So it looks pretty pink. I will throw on a little more of a pink undertone gloss for on top. This is Hot Chocolate Fantasy that I picked up in the holiday set. Fenty glosses are on the thicker side, but they are not sticky. They are very nourishing. They are longer lasting than most, but if you want your lips to look full and juicy and plump, this is what I recommend. So that completes the look. I hope that I gave you some ideas. I had a lot of fun filming this video, talking about all my favorite brands and the products that I like from those brands. I will list and link all of these products in the description box below, and I will also make some suggestions, some things that I mentioned in the description box of other things that I love. If you had some fun, make sure you give the video a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button before you leave. I upload videos Mondays, Wednesdays, and Saturdays. I would love to have you join me. I hope you have a fabulous day, and I will see you in my next video.